Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Diskpart error that says clean is not allowed on the disk. First, you need to get into the advanced recovery screen. If your PC is already stuck, just restart it, but if not, follow this. Hold the power button to turn off your computer. Turn it back on. As soon as it begins to boot, turn it off again using the power button. Repeat this process 3 times. On the 4th boot, Windows will automatically enter the recovery environment. Once you're on the blue recovery screen, click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Inside the command prompt, type Diskpart. Press Enter. Wait for Diskpart to load, then type List Disk. Press Enter again. You'll now see a list of all disks connected to your computer. Important warning: do not select Disk 0. Disk 0 is your Windows system drive, and cleaning it will erase your entire operating system. Identify the correct disk by looking at the size. Choose the disk you are actually trying to clean or repair. Now type Select Disk X. Replace X with the number of the disk you want to clean. Example: select Disk 1, press Enter. Now type Clean, press Enter again. Diskpart will now clean the selected disk and the error should be gone. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. Your disk should now be cleaned successfully. And that's it.